Are you tired of your curls or waves starting halfway down your head? Do you dream of voluminous root starting curls or waves? Well, you're definitely not alone. This is a comment I get every day. And today I am going to share my secrets to achieving those nice bouncy curls that start right at the scalp. And to help me on this journey, we're gonna chat all about the Dr. Groot Scalp Providing Solution Hair Thickening Shampoo. This shampoo genuinely does what it says it does. It makes your hair thicker. We'll get into that more in a second, but first let's chat about some tips to really help your curls to start higher in your hair. So before I even talk about these tips, first of all, let's make it very clear that some curl patterns literally just don't start at your roots. They just don't. These tips are going to help you if that is you, if your curls naturally just don't start at your roots. It's going to almost fake or force it to start at your roots. And it's going to be great tips for you if your curls do start at your roots, but maybe your curls just look flat at your roots. So tip number one is to emphasize the importance of scalp health. Healthy scalp is the foundation for voluminous roots. When your scalp is not cleaned and not nourished, you have no fighting chance to get volume and curl at your root. You have no chance. That is like the biggest thing. Like when I do those salon styling videos and people come and I style their hair for free, like on the street. If you've seen any of those videos on my YouTube channel, you know what I'm talking about. The biggest thing I see is people just don't shampoo their hair well enough. They don't shampoo their hair with the right shampoos at the right time. So a great way to get scalp health is shampooing correctly. If you are subscribed to Curls Monthly this month, you also got the matching product in the Dr. Groot set, which is their Miracle in Shower treatment. And that is so great for scalp health. It's so great for getting the results of exactly what I'm saying. Now, the second thing that's really going to help your curls begin to curl closer to the root is actually your drying technique. Air drying is fine, but guaranteed if you air dry your hair, it's going to dry flatter. One way to kind of combat this if you are air drying is taking an alligator clip. An alligator clip is just a type of hair clip. You can get them on Amazon, anywhere hair products are sold. And then you can just kind of glide it in next to your part and then turn it on its side. So it kind of gives it this root lift. You can walk around like this as your hair is air drying, like if you're working from home or whatever. And that will help a little bit with that lift as well as with making the curls want to start sooner. But in the end, air drying is always going to weigh down your hair. So for that reason, I would definitely recommend diffusing. Now, when you have your diffuser, a tip that I love to give people to help their curls start higher to the roots and also to give them root volume is a method that I call bubble diffusing. Basically what this is as you're diffusing your hair, if you are cup diffusing, you would put your hair inside the diffuser cup like this. And most people would just hold it like this. But what I want you to do to enhance your root definition is to bring it all the way up to your roots, clamp this section of your hair right here, drag it up, and you can see right here, it's what I call a bubble. So that's bubble diffusing. So you're giving yourself that volume with the diffuser. You have gels in your hair, you have things in your hair that will make your hair stick like this. So when you take it away, there will be that more volume and the curls will almost be like a little forced there, which is kind of what we want in this scenario. So tip number 3 is to focus on your roots. You do not want to apply any type of product to your scalp and roots except for shampoo. No conditioners, no gels, no creams, no oils. They should not touch your roots or your scalp. They are for your mids and your ends. So just shampoos should touch your scalp. A really great recommendation, like truly from the bottom of my heart, is the Dr. Groot Thickening Shampoo. A lot of shampoos claim that they will thicken your hair. This really does. You can like feel it get thicker. The first time I used this was a few months ago. I was like shocked at how different my hair was that day. I don't use it as consistently as I would because I'm always trying to like test out new products, but like genuinely, this shampoo makes your hair thicker. So if you have fine hair, anything like that, it's going to really, really, really help you. Dr. Groot, the brand who makes this, is actually the #1 Korean hair care brand, specifically for hair thickening. Shampoo's cool because it has those like little capsule beads in it. It promotes stronger hair, promotes healthier hair growth, and it's also powered by biotin, rosemary, and caffeine, which are all really great things to just revitalize your scalp and your roots. They did a study and 169% of people saw a difference in their improved scalp moisture. So that is amazing. Now, looking at the ingredients on this product, it's definitely going to be a medium to strong cleanse. It's definitely not a clarifying shampoo, but it also does have some really good surfactants in there. For example, up top, it has disodium lauryl sulfonate, and then it has disodium lauryl sulfosinate. So those are two really great types of cleansing agents that you can use on your scalp. Again, it's not a clarifying shampoo, but it's a nice, good medium to heavy cleanse. So it really will help, again, with your hair to really start to want and be able to start curling at your root, which would be impossible if you were not using a strong enough shampoo. The way that you're going to want to use this shampoo when you use it is just like any other shampoo. I will link below a video called How to Shampoo, and you can just replace this shampoo with your regular shampoo. I always recommend shampooing twice, and this specific product comes with a post shampoo scalp treatment, which you can use if you're subscribed to Curls Monthly. It comes in this cute little gift box. If not, you can always buy the large one separately. I have one more tip for you for helping to encourage your curls starting closer to your roots, and that's actually how you sleep. If you sleep with a bonnet or a buff or your hair in a low ponytail or just some way that's going to press down your roots are going to be pressed down. Now, I always sleep with my hair in a pineapple. I think that this really does help add that nice root volume. Because I have bangs, I won't add my bangs to the pineapple, but I'll usually put my hair at the very top of my head, like literally like this, wrap a scrunchie around it, and that's how I sleep a lot of times with a bonnet over top of that. Try out these tips and let me know how much of a difference you see in that root volume. As always, if this video helped you at all, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.